as McKenzie tries to load up the long throw. And down for the U.S. Ball's knocked down. Follow-up shot. There's a goal!
Today, I'm checking out the Lano S9 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. So if you ever wanted to display videos, photos, movies, games, or even your computer screen on a larger TV or a monitor without running long HDMI cables, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Inside of the box, you get the wireless transmitter and receiver. Setup is incredibly simple. The receiver plugs into your TV or monitor through the HDMI. The transmitter plugs into a compatible laptop, tablet, or a smartphone using the USB Type-C. Once they're connected, they automatically pair with each other. There's no Wi-Fi required, no Bluetooth setup, no apps to install, no complicated settings. It's truly plug and play. Seriously, just connect both pieces and start mirroring your screen. One thing I really like about the S9 is how easy it makes everyday screen sharing. For example, I can take photos and videos from my phone and instantly display them on a much larger screen. Whether I'm showing family pictures, watching YouTube, streaming videos, or sharing content with friends, everything is much easier to see on a TV compared to a small phone screen. It's also great for movies. Instead of watching on a small laptop or a tablet, I can wirelessly send the content directly to my TV and enjoy a much larger viewing experience. And because the S9 is designed for seamless streaming, videos play smoothly without dealing with long HDMI cables across the whole room. Another feature I found really useful is definitely connecting the computer. I can mirror my laptop screen directly to the larger monitor or television, which is perfect for presentations, work projects, video calls, or simply getting more screen space. The S9 also supports screen extension mode on compatible devices, allowing you to use the second display as an extended workspace instead of simply duplicating your screen. For gaming, this could be a really fun setup. You can wirelessly display games from compatible devices on a larger screen and enjoy a much bigger viewing experience. This would also be great for watching live sports. With the 2026 World Cup coming up, you can easily mirror games from your laptop, tablet, or your phone directly to your TV so everyone can watch together on the big screen. The wireless connection uses both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz dual band technology to help maintain a stable signal. According to Lano, the system delivers real-time audio and video synchronization with extremely low latency and smooth performance. I gotta say, during use, everything felt really responsive and very stable. The S9 can also transmit up to 328 feet away, or 100 meters in ideal open environments. Of course, walls and obstacles can reduce that distance, but it's nice having the flexibility of wireless transmission without being tied down by cables. Picture quality supports up to 1080p at 60 frames per second, providing really sharp image quality for movies, videos, gaming, presentations, and just everyday screen mirroring. Another really nice feature is the built-in USB Type-C charging support. So you can mirror your screen and charge your device at the same time, thanks to the PD charging capability. That means you can continue watching content, gaming, or working without worrying about draining your battery. The S9 also includes a one-click privacy protection feature. With a single press, you can instantly disconnect screen sharing whenever you need it. That's especially useful, especially during meetings, presentations, or any time that you're sharing personal content. I also like that Lano added a ventilated design to help reduce with heat dissipation during longer use. And the travel band is a really nice feature as well. You can easily carry it around with you. Compatibility is another really strong point. The S9 works with a wide variety of Windows PCs, Macs, Android devices, tablets, and compatible USB Type-C smartphones that support video output. Now, Lano also offers the S9 Pro model. The standard S9 focuses on convenient plug-and-play wireless screen mirroring with smooth 1080p performance. The S9 Pro takes things a step further by offering upgraded 4K visual quality for users who want an even more immersive viewing experience, while still delivering the same convenient wireless setup and seamless streaming performance. Overall, I think the Lano S9 is a simple and effective wireless screen mirroring solution. Whether you're sharing photos, watching movies, streaming videos, gaming, working from a laptop, giving presentations, or enjoying live sports, it makes it easy to move your content from a small screen to a much larger display. If you'd like to learn more, I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.